Encountered a GWF file from Microsoft SharePoint Workspace? This contains synchronized SharePoint content for offline collaboration. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to handle these SharePoint Workspace files. Quick check. Before proceeding, know that a universal viewer can often read the data within the GWF archive, even if it can't fully extract it. A user encountering a .gwf file is likely dealing with a legacy workspace from Microsoft SharePoint Workspace, formerly Microsoft Groove. This file acts as a container for a synchronized workspace, including documents, discussions, and other collaborative data used for offline access and peer-to-peer collaboration. The .gwf format is a proprietary binary container developed by Microsoft. It was designed to encapsulate an entire collaborative workspace, including its file structure, content, and metadata, for offline use and peer-to-peer synchronization. The structure is complex, prioritizing data integrity and security for enterprise collaboration. The operating system preferentially attempts to open GWF using Microsoft SharePoint Workspace from Microsoft Corporation. Windows cannot validate changes to the file structure, demanding dedicated software for integrity. Windows gives limited insight, so interpreting the contents requires the originating tool. Let's use the list of installed programs to identify the best match. Right-click your GWF file, then click Open With. Test Microsoft SharePoint Workspace if you see it. If it fails, select the next program in sequence. Methodical testing is best. If you are still having trouble opening the GWF file, do not worry. Dealing with a truly persistent GWF file, let's execute these quick diagnostic tests on the most likely points of failure. First, migrating to OneDrive. Since SharePoint Workspace is discontinued, migrate GWF content to Microsoft OneDrive for Business, which provides modern SharePoint synchronization. Install the OneDrive client and sync SharePoint document libraries directly. OneDrive handles offline access and synchronization, replacing SharePoint Workspace functionality with contemporary cloud-integrated tools. Next, extracting documents. Open GWF files in SharePoint Workspace if the application is still installed to access synchronized content. Copy documents from the workspace to standard folders for use in current applications. This extraction preserves your collaboration work before migrating to modern SharePoint sync solutions like OneDrive for Business. Finally, using SharePoint Online. Access SharePoint content directly through SharePoint Online via web browser, eliminating the need for desktop synchronization software. Modern SharePoint provides browser-based document editing with Microsoft 365 integration. This approach replaces GWF Workspace files with always current cloud-based collaboration accessible from any device. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.